already spilled the juice and get into some reality TV news. Bazalwane mina isencane lengane. Yo, it gets into my nerve. Like I struggle watching it. I honestly do struggle watching it. However, I decided to catch an episode because at work it's the discussion of the day, right? And I was catching up on episode 3, season 6, episode 3. And then Usiyacela no nalo Tando, they're discussing. Utando calls Usiyacela to discuss a type of marriage that they're in. Utando uthi ufuna ukuphuma ku community of property angene kule enye marriage what just so that Usiyacela can continue abusing his things and she can also have her things and that she will enjoy without Usiyacela. That's not the problem. Why are you still proposing out of community of property or anything else? Why don't you just simply get a divorce and see Uguti you love this man or you don't? Because I don't get Uguti, I'm anti-divorce. Like I'm anti-divorce. I'm that person that will only tell you to get divorced if you are in an abusive relationship, right? But Utando is in a financial abusive relationship, emotional abusive relationship. Like everything is but girl, instead of wanting to walk out, she wants ukuthi bahlukanise. Remember, she also gives Usiyacela imali yakhe willingly because Usiyacela does not drag her to the bank. She takes out that money. Yo angeke uthando uspecial abantu benkosi like isencane lengane yo yampala. I don't know about you but yo it just yeah wayithatha uthando right wayisa to the elders and they give a typical advice yokuthi umfazi uyabekezela this and that. Usiyaqala kabekezelini like uthando is asking for advice in the wrong people, guys. Is it only me? Please help me. Like she's asking how do you even ask for such advice to his family? Because his family will always want you to be the one that is there. But his family knows Uguti, who is the mumish, who is what. Because at this point, Usiyaqala needs a mom. Like, he really needs a babysitter. And Utando is that babysitter. Marne ayibona or yimi ngaboni kahle. But mina ke, I'm not for out of community. I'm not for in community. I'm for Utando. Ati divorce. Akibele ibhasi akibele itrain athi Johannesburg uzabona impilo ukuthi imbekaphi sibone ukuthi will she succeed outside Usiyacela, will Usiyacela grow up outside Utando, perhaps outside each other. These two children will do better because wow, even when they got married they were still babies, like literally. Yeah, but this is your girl Disabled D. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe while you at it.